Hi children, and welcome back to math lesson. Today we are going to learn about ordering numbers. Some numbers are big, some numbers are small. Now, before we play with numbers, let's check this donut first. I have 3 donuts. Each donut has sprinkles on the top. Can you see it? Now, which donut has the most sprinkles? The most sprinkles. Donut number 1, number 2, or number 3? Number 3, yes, donut that has the most sprinkles. Which one has the least? Least sprinkles, not too much. Number 1. That's good. Just like we can count the sprinkles to know which donut has more or less, we can also do this with numbers. So, let's check these numbers, children. I have number 3, 7, and 1. Which number is the biggest? Which number is the biggest? 3, 7, or 1? 7. That's good. 7 is the biggest. Biggest number has the greatest amount. Which is the smallest? Smallest number has the least amount. 1 is the smallest. That's good. Next. 9, 25, 67. Which number is the biggest? You can check from the place value. Number 9 has 9 ones. 25 has 2 tens and 5 ones. 67 has 6 tens and 7 ones. Which has more tens? 9 doesn't have tens. 25 has 2 tens. 67 has 6 tens. Since 6 is bigger than 2, so 67 is the biggest. Do you understand, children? You can check from the place value. 67 is the biggest. Okay, next. 25, 28, 22. So how if the tens are the same? 25 has 2 tens. 28 has 2 tens. 22 has 2 tens. So look at the ones place. 25 has 5 ones. 28, 8 ones. 22, 2 ones. Since 8 is the biggest, so 28 is the biggest. And 2 is the smallest, so 22 is the smallest. Biggest and smallest. Do you understand, children? Okay. Now, look at these numbers: 10, 74, 25, and 89. Which number is the biggest? They have 2 digits, so let's check the tens place. 1, 7, 2, 8. Since 8 is the biggest, so 89 is the biggest. And which number is the smallest? 2 is the smallest, so 25 is the smallest. That's good. Next question, children. Ordering numbers from biggest to smallest. From biggest, it means you start from the biggest number. Let's check number 1. 10, 15, 20, 45. Is number 10 bigger than 15, 20, and 45? No, number 10 is the smallest. So, number 1 is wrong. Let's check number 2. 45, 20, 15, 10. Is number 45 bigger than the others? Yes, number 45 is the biggest. And number 10 is the smallest. So number 2 is correct. From biggest to the smallest. Let's try again, children. Ordering numbers from smallest to the biggest. Smallest. Let's check number 1. 29, 10, 92, 15. Smallest. Is number 29 is the smallest? No. Is number 15 the biggest? No. So number 1 is wrong. Let's check number 2, children. 10, 15, 29, 92. Is number 10 the smallest? Yes. Is number 92 the biggest number? Yes. So number 2 is correct. From smallest to the biggest. Now you can get your card, children. And let's arrange these numbers from the smallest to the biggest. Smallest. Is it 9, 39, 29, or 59? Check the place value. Number 9 just has 9 ones. The others has 10s place. So the smallest is number 9. Yes, number 9, and then which one is the smallest? 39, 29, or 59? Now check the tens place. 3, 2, 5. 2 is the smallest, so 29. Okay, now which one is the smaller number? 39 or 59? 39. And the biggest number is number 59. Yes, that's good. Thank you, children, for trying. Next. 20, 2, 12, 22. Let's arrange these numbers from the biggest to the smallest. Biggest. 22 has 2 tens. 2, no tens. 12 has 1 10. 22 has 2 tens. 20, 2, 12, 22. Which one is the biggest? You have 20 and 22. 4 of them has 2 tens, so check the ones place. 0 and 2. Which one is the biggest? 2. So 22 is the biggest. Next. 20, 2, or 12. Find the biggest. 20 is the biggest. Next. 2 or 12 is the bigger number. 12 is the bigger number. And the smallest number is number 2. That's good. Thank you, children, for trying. Okay. Now, let's get your worksheet, children, and cut the donuts pictures. Let's order the donuts from the donut that has the most sprinkles. the most sprinkles. You can cut the pictures and you can put it in the box. The most sprinkles. Donut number 1, number 2, or number 3? Number 3, that's good. You can paste it in the box. Number 3. And then number 2. And then number 1. Yes. From the donut that has the most sprinkles to the least sprinkles. Okay. If you are done, children, let's go to the next picture. Next picture, you have 3 jars. I can order the candy from the jar that has the most candies. Which jar has the most candies? Jar number 3. That's good. And then number 2 and the least, number 1. Yes, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And next, children. Cookies. Let's order the cookies from the cookies that has the least chocolate chips. Least chocolate chips. Which cookie? Cookie number 1 has least chocolate chips. And then cookie number 2 and cookie number 3. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Now, if you're done, children, let's get your worksheet and your scissors. And you can cut out the cards and order the numbers starting from the smallest to the largest. Smallest. Let's see the numbers. 27, 46, 32, 71, 9, 52, 67, 94, 83, 100. Okay, now, which one is the smallest number? The smallest number only has 1 digit. That's number 9. Number 9 has 9 ones. So, number 9 is the smallest. After number 9, check the numbers that has 2 digits. Okay, 27, 46, 32, 71, 52, 67, 94, and 83. So let's check the tens, please. 2, 4, 3, 7, 5, 6, 9, 8. Let's find the smallest. The smallest on the tens place is number 2. So 27 is the smallest. And then number 3. Yes, 3. 32. Next, after number 3, which one is the smallest? Check the tens place. 4. Yeah, 46 is the smallest. Next, 7, 5, 6, 9, 8. 5 is the smallest, so 52. After 52, 6 tens. Yeah, 67. After 67, 7 tens, 71. After 71, 8 tens, 83. Now you have 94 and 100. 94 first, and then the biggest is 100. Wow, that's good, children. Ordering numbers from the smallest to the largest. Now you can check the numbers. The smallest number is number 9, and the biggest number is number 100. Yes! Thank you for trying! Okay, now one more page for you. Ordering numbers. Write the numbers in order from the least to the greatest. Least from the smallest to the biggest. From the smallest to the biggest. Let's start from number 1. 24, 12, 19, and 33. Which one is the smallest number? From the tens place, 1 is the smallest. Now check the ones place. 2 and 9. Which one is the smallest? 2. So 12 first. And then 19. After that, 24. And the biggest is 33. This is number 1. Now number 2. Which one is the smallest number? 11, 27, 16, 42. Check the tens place. 1 is the smallest. Check the ones place. 1 and 6. 1 is the smallest. So 11 first. And then 16. After that, 2 and 4. 2 is smaller. So 27 and 42. Do you understand, children? For number 3 until number 5, I want you to try by yourself. Okay? So we have finished the lesson for today. Thank you for trying and see you again in the next video. Bye-bye!